Despite its diminutive size, San Francisco packs it in. There's the ridiculous bounty of natural beauty, stacks of ornate Victorian houses, the thriving technology sector, and a healthy dash of grit, counterculture, and eclecticism. We've scoured the implausible topography to create a guide brimming with insider tips. Start your tour by checking into the central address of Private Members Club and 14-room hotel The Battery, before zipping across town for some coffee and brunch at The Mill in the Fillmore district. This collaboration between 4 Barrel Coffee and Josie Baker Bread was one of the city's original purveyors of fancy toast and has had a line out of the door since it opened in 2013. Next, venture west to the laid-back beachside neighbourhood of Outer Sunset. Here you'll find standout independent retailer General Store with its sharp collection of homeware, stationery, accessories and clothing from a host of talented small-scale makers. Continue your retail tour in the Mission District at the impressive Heath Ceramics retail space, complete with a tile workshop, showroom and newsstand, before heading around the corner to James Tucker's traditional printing press, the Aesthetic Union. For a midday break, cozy up at charming neighbourhood haunt Sightglass. The fragrant beans are brewed on-site for the smoothest coffee, and the pastries are flaky perfection. Once refueled, get your culture fix at the preeminent modern museum SF MoMA, which was founded back in 1935. While away your afternoon exploring artworks by Richard Serra, Sol LeVitt and Frida Kahlo. As the sun sets, head beyond the financial district's iconic skyline and up the hill to Tosca Cafe. Once a watering hole for libertines and beats, this bustling Italian-inspired dining room serves top-notch fare and crisp Californian wines until late. Published by Gestalten, the Monocle Guide to San Francisco is the latest addition to our travel guide series. Cities are fun. Let's explore.